Marcano Studios.
Hey guys, it's me, IRL Noella here, and today I will talk about the farting, diarrhea, and peeing sound effect from Gotcha Fart Uwu. It's from a video called Gotcha Fart. That video was uploaded on August 5th, 2025. The duration of sound effect is 13 to 40. The total seconds are 27. The music will be removed at the beginning and end. Here's what it sounds like. See, that's what it sounds like. The sound effect is only used for my characters and OCs when they fart, poop, and pee in the toilet at the same time. Remember kids, if you want to use that sound effect, use it in your videos. And just give credit to Gotcha Fart Uwu for the sound effect. It starts on 013 and ends on 040. Make sure you remove the music at the beginning and end, okay? And I will see you later.